Sans Aribal, ang talagang pangalan niya, Sans Aribal, 2 words. It's coming from Italy. Italy means, Sans Aribal means walang kapantay. Yun ang.
Ilang bago magawa
Ang yan, dalawang ginagawa yung kranses, yung parang patong-patong, 4 na patong yan. Tapos, ino-order yan. Tapos, yung that is made up of kasoy, sugar, and egg white. Egg white. Tapos, yung pinaka-icing niyan, sugar and ang